Hey guys, thanks for watching. Today we are going to talk about how to find the area between the two curves. So here we can see that we are given two curves right here, and then we are given the boundary x -2 and x equal to 1. So the first thing you want to do is to graph it. Alright, this is our graph, and then we can put the boundary, right? So the boundary here is that we're starting from x -2, and we're going to x equal to 1, right? So that's the interval, and then now we have to write the integral, right? We have to set up the area. So the area is the integral, right? So the integral, we have to subtract the two graphs. So the rule here says that you need to do the top graph minus the bottom graph. So as we can see here, if we start from -2 to 1, we'll see that from -2 to -1, the top graph is the red one. The red one is on top of the blue one, right? This is the red one on top of the blue one, right? So that means that the first integral is going to be from -2 to -1, and the top graph, which is the red one, we have x squared minus 8. Then we're going to subtract the bottom one, which is the blue one. We put 7x, then we say dx, then we say plus. Then the next integral is going to be from -1 to 1, because from -1 to 1, the top graph, the graph that is above the other graph, is the 7x. 7x is above the x squared minus 8. So we're going to have to write 7x minus x squared minus 8. And then, just this is how we set up the integral, right? This is how the integral is set up. Now the next question will be like to calculate this, right? So calculating this is just how we calculate any other integral. So here it's gonna be x squared minus 8 and x dx. Here I'm just removing the parenthesis. We'll have 7x minus x squared plus 8 dx, right? So from here we can do 1/3 x cubed plus 8x minus 7/2 x squared, from -2 to -1 plus 7x squared over 2 minus x cubed over 3 plus 8x, right? So, and then we'll put the boundary from -1 to 1, right? So, and then from here you can just plug in the numbers. If you plug in the numbers, put -1 x cubed minus x 1 square minus 1/3. Now you put the -2, right? Cube minus 8 -2 minus 7/2 -2 squared, right? So this is the first part, and the second part is just gonna be the 7/2 1 squared minus 1 squared over 3 plus 8 1 minus, do again, 7/2 -1 squared minus -1 cubed over 3 plus 8 -1. There we go. And then if you plug this in calculator, you should get 121/6, and this is your area.